So you just got your brand new watch, but the band is too big for your wrist. I found an easy way in order to change the length. You don't have to go to any watchmaker or jeweler. It's pretty simple, you could do it from home. You need a few tools like this thimble, or you could use a thumbtack. Next up, you need a watch link base. You could find these on Amazon. I'll leave the links down below in the description. And you'll also need a nail clip, or basically anything to grab the pin. You could even use your hands if you want to. Also, there's arrows shown where you want to push the pin out from, so just place the watch band on the watch dock right there. Then use the thimble, make sure it's aligned perfectly with the arrows and also the holes that you need to grab. So once everything's aligned, you just want to screw the thimble until the pin is pushed throughout. But first, as I said before, make sure that it's at the exact link hole you want. So once you found the perfect link hole, you just want to screw the thimble in until the pin has been removed from the link. So once the pin has been removed from the link, you could see it start to poke out from the watch band. You just want to grab this and put it to the side. Don't throw it away because we're going to use the same pin in order to relink or to readjust the watch. So as I said before, use a nail clip or your fingers, anything you have, to just grab the pin out and put it carefully to the side. Next up, just unscrew the thimble and then see if you need 2 or more links you want to remove. So once you remove the first link and you think that's fine, you just need to repeat the same steps with another link that's shown. Make sure the hole is lined up perfectly and that you're screwing where the arrow is pointing. So once you've repeated the first step and removed the second pin, you just want to put it to the side again because it's gonna come in handy. Now, since we removed all the links we don't need, we're gonna put back the rest of the links that we have, and it's pretty simple. All you need to do is just adjust the old link that we had before to the new adjustments we have now. And also, I always said do not throw away the pins because we're gonna need it. So push back the pins through the link hole in the same direction that it came out from, right? So if it came out through the right side, push it back through the right side. And then you could just use the thimble to push back the pin and we're basically finished. That's all you need.